Meh. Lean with it, lean with it.
Sethy boy walk around.
Alright guys, I gotta break some news to y'all. I can drop my bike. It was gonna happen sometime. I've never dropped it before, but you know, at 400, what was it, 413 miles, I already dropped it. Scrape there, there. Bent the clutch lever, but try to bend it back and it just straight up snapped. So replacement coming soon. For now, we're just gonna give it a wash. Give all these cars a wash. Got my car, the Acura, and then the Audi out there. You'll see it soon. All right, see ya. Yeah. Come on, push. Man. Look at that ass. Look at that. Don't mind. Imagine, you know, having fun with it. Fitting it. Oh yeah. Oh, finger.
Yours is a 4-banger. What's mine?
I think you got a 4-banger.
How come they sound like this?